guys, good morning. Welcome to Visava Foods channel. I am Sneha Pradeep Lad. Today we are going to make noodles recipe. In these noodles, we are not going to use many ingredients, just a simple noodles. We can add Manchurian balls also. Veg Manchurian recipe I have given in my previous video. You can go through it. So let's start preparing. I have boiled noodles. We will boil it for 5 minutes till it gets soft, and then we are going to strain it and we will hold under a cold water tap so that our noodles will not stick to each other. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil. Within 2 minutes the noodles will be ready. Then we are going to strain it. So before starting this recipe, let's see the ingredients. 3-4 cloves of garlic that I have crushed, 2 teaspoon of capsicum, half onion I have taken, I have cut into small pieces, some coriander leaves, half teaspoon of carrots which I have cut into small pieces, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt as per your taste, white vinegar, oil. I have added 1 teaspoon of oils. That's why they are not sticking each other. Here I have taken soya sauce and the seasoning powder which we get in the noodles packet. While making this recipe we can add little water also. So let's start preparing. Our pan is hot now. We are going to add 3 teaspoon of oil. Now I will be adding cumin seeds. Let it splutter. We'll add onion. We are going to fry this onion just for 1 minute. With this I am adding garlic, crushed garlic, now we will add the vegetables. Green chilies, mix it well. Just for a few seconds we are going to cook it, and then we will add our seasoning powder. In the seasoning powder I have added some water and coriander. There should not be lumps. The seasoning powder which we get in the noodles pack, that only I am taking. Now we will put in this vegetables. I added nearly 3 teaspoon of water, 3 to 4 teaspoon of water. I am adding 2 teaspoon of soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Half teaspoon of vinegar. It is optional. Very little salt I am taking. I am taking very little salt because the soya sauce also has salt. So be careful while putting the salt. I am taking very little. Salt you can add as per your taste. Now we are going to add the noodles. Now we will add the boiled noodles. If you want to add more salt, you can add, no problem. Now we are going to mix it well. careful, otherwise the noodles will fall outside your pan. See, our noodles are not sticking to each other. I have mixed all the noodles. Our noodles are ready. You can add veg manchurians. I am having some soya chunks. I am going to add them. These are some soya chunks. I have given the recipe of veg manchurian. You can add the veg manchurians. Here I am adding soya chunks that I have cooked. Our noodles are ready to eat. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.